In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight two youth groups made up of mostly high school students, which are working towards one aim, motivating the younger generation to be motivators.
My name is Redding Richardson and I'm the founder of Jamaica Youth Motivators. This group was founded because of the severity of the mental breakdown happening in Jamaica. Persons fighting and killing persons over wristwatch being thrown off their hands, or persons walking up and down and calling their females gals. I thought that this would be a really good initiative to help to bring out the potential of the youths in Jamaica so that they can create change.
My name is Omar Bourne. I am the founder and managing director of Divine Beacon of Change Foundation. I realized that education is so important. I sat down one day and I said, what can I do to give back to our country? And it rested on me. You have been through so much yourself as a young person. Why not start an organization that will help to motivate, inspire, develop young people holistically? And because of that, I decided that, okay, empowerment is what I'm going to do.
We have tried going into various schools just to encourage those persons. So when we go into a particular school, we continue going back to that school so we can see the changes and see that it's actually working out really. We encourage them on sex, drug abuse. We talk about challenges facing in homes, how to deal with different problems.
One of our main objectives is to reach the students with behavioral issues, very little parent support, struggles financially, emotionally. We intend to connect with other youth workers, youth development specialists to help some of these students.
Going in and actually speaking with these students and getting a positive feedback. So positive that at the end of the presentation, one young man, he came and he was like, Redane, how do you talk so well? And I laughed. I said, you know, I can teach you. And I mean, somebody who the world would pride as bad and tough, he hugged me and he was like, thanks. And then from that now, like, you realize that there's a continuum of communication. Like, I can talk to him, I can say how you're doing, help him to develop his speech, and I mean, changing one and changing a lot.
I feel good. I feel like I am helping Jamaica to become a better country.
I don't think it's what I get from it, but it's what I'm able to give. That feeling when someone can say to me, can you be my father again? And I'm like, but I'm so young, how can I be your father? But then I can just imagine what is happening in that person's background. I'm like, sure, I'll be there for you. I mean, that feeling feels good.
If from this stage you can start putting pen to paper and find yourself, then you'll realize how you can develop you, and after you are developed, how you can help to develop your country.